guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I am so excited for this video. I love this project so much, and though I'm sad that it's a finale, I'm excited because that means that another round is coming soon. So the next round of this project is going to be starting on February 15th. So if you don't know, this project was started by Rebecca and Alexi here on YouTube, and it started off just between them, and in the third round they opened it up to the community, and it's just grown and grown ever since, and this is the 6th round so far. This is my 3rd round of doing it, and I absolutely love this project. I love it for so many reasons. I think it's fun that it's a roulette. I like that it's short term. It kind of gives you some different products to work on because I tend to do longer term projects here on my channel. So if you like project pants, consider subscribing. And I just love that it's a huge collaboration, and you know that there's going to be so many videos to watch. It's so great to see the whole community coming together. I really, really love it. So I'm going to link their channels down below, as well as the playlist for this collab round, so you can check that out as well. So make sure you do, because everyone involved is just so amazing. It's really great to see everyone's progress, and especially with the finale, it's so great to see how far everyone has come. Just jumping right on in, for a sample or deluxe size item, I had the Cover FX drops in rose gold, and this is where I was at the last update, and I didn't mark it again because I can't get any more out. The dropper doesn't go all the way to the bottom. I tried scraping it out with a brush today and I couldn't get any out. There is like a little bit left in there. I'm not sure if you can see, like you can't see all the way. I mean, you can kind of see to the bottom, but there is a little bit of product still in there, so I think I'm going to use like a really, really small brush or maybe a Q-tip just to get the last little bits out. But for the sake of this project, I am considering it finished because the little dropper doesn't go all the way to the bottom anymore. This next product I just rolled in at the last update and was a product you love, and for that I picked the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and my goal was just to expand the pan. So this is where I was last time, and here is where I am now. So hopefully you can see that I have expanded the pan a little bit. I didn't really have any goals like to hit side pan or anything. My goal was just to expand the pan, and I think I have definitely done that. I'm really happy that I gave myself permission to use this product because I have been working on a Too Faced bronzer, which if you've tried to pan a Too Faced bronzer, it takes forever. So it was really nice to get back to something I love and kind of give myself permission to use a product I enjoy. But after this, I am back to focusing on that Too Faced bronzer because it is in my year-long project pan. I just posted that recently, so I'll link it down below in case you're interested to check out that intro. The next category was a product you aren't sure if you like, and for that I picked the Benefit Cabral. I wasn't sure if I like this, but I really think I have warmed up to it. I am wearing it in my brows today. I thought about panning it this year, but having worked on it the last 4 months, I kind of just wanted to reach for something else in my collection for a little bit. But I think that this could potentially end up in another round of this project, or just something I can see myself working on. My goal was to hit the bottom, and I really don't feel like I got there. This is where I was at the last update, and this is where I am now. So hopefully you can see, like, I got all the way down the side, and I wanted to get like in this way along the bottom, and I don't think I really got there, but I definitely did get a lot of use out of this product. I feel like I'm basically there. I'm almost like at the verge where the side meets the bottom. Anyways, I feel pretty good about how much use I did get out of this product because it was something that had been sitting there for quite a while, and having used it every day, and I think it works really well with my hair color right now, which is amazing. So I'm really happy about that, but I just think for now it's something I'm going to put aside for a little bit. I feel for this next product I really should have been able to hit my goal, but I just didn't, and that was a sparkly product. For that, I was using the Touch in Soul Medalist Liquid Foil in Glitter Shadow Duo. And the reason why I feel like I should have hit my goal on this because my goal was just to use it 5 times each update for a total of 20 times in this project. Last update, I had used it 13 times, which means I needed to use it 7 more times to get to that full 20. Not only did I not reach that, I didn't even use it 5 times. I ended up only reaching for it twice. And it just, I'm glad I got use out of it. You can definitely see that there is some, like the product has come down on the sides. Before it was like completely opaque, you couldn't see through. So I definitely feel like I have gotten some use out of it, even though it was only 13 times. It was much more than I did probably the whole year, and I found that I really love wearing it as a liner versus all over the lid. So I'm glad I found some ways to incorporate it into some looks, but it's just a bit much for every day. I don't feel like I can wear it to work, and then I felt like every weekend I was like trying to reach for this just so I could hit it for this project, and it wasn't fun to reach for anymore, and I felt like I couldn't be creative with my eye looks on the weekend. So because of that, I was just kind of over it, and you think it would have been perfect for like New Year's and holidays, and I just couldn't. I just was so over by that point, unfortunately. But I'm really glad that I was able to get some more use out of this product. And I should have known it was going to be hard to hit my goal for that because for the category of product from ColourPop, I rolled in a Super Shock shadow. This is in the shade Weenie. Here's where I was last update, and my goal was to hit pan. Didn't happen. But you couldn't see, it looks so thin, like you can clearly see the little button in the middle, like it's just, oh, it's basically there. And I am wearing it on my lids today. I've been wearing it, it's been great for work. It's just, sometimes I do just quick that and then blend it out through the crease. Sometimes I do bit more matte shades like I did today and then put it all over the lid. So I have been loving it for that. Copper isn't my usual go-to shade, but I've been pushing myself to wear this, and I feel like I had to wear it like 10-15 times. I didn't keep track. Maybe I should start keeping track for my project pans. I know a lot of people do that, and maybe I think I use things more than I do. I don't know, but I really can't believe I didn't do it. I feel like I'm so close, but I got a lot of use out of it, so I'm happy about that. I definitely have been wearing it every day. I'm kind of excited for this project to end so I can start wearing some different eye looks because I feel like it was this during the week, the Touch and Soul on the weekend, and I'm just excited to play with some of my other eyeshadows. Again, this is a product I really feel like I should have hit my goal on. This was the last category I picked, and that was a unique product. And for that, I picked the Peppermint Foot Scrub from the Body Shop. I have it upside down. This is what it looks like. So to show you my marking, this is where I was at when I rolled it in at the last update, and this is how much I have left now. That is probably one use. One use left, and it just didn't happen. I got busy. I just didn't have the time for it, which is so unfortunate. I'm kind of thinking I might do it now after I film this video, which is kind of funny, but I'm glad that it's basically done. So there's always that. And there you have it. That is my finale. To kind of recap this round, outside of this update, I did hit my goal on 4 other products, which is really exciting. I think that actually all happened in my last update, which can be linked down below if you want to see something a bit more exciting than this. But again, I love this product. I'm so excited to be joining in on the next round, which is starting February 15th. So if you want to make sure that you catch my intro for that, then make sure you subscribe. Please let me know if you are currently part of this project or if you're thinking of joining in the next round. I would love to check out your videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!